good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
A true Jamaican Christmas greeting I extend to you. Just come on over, there is room. There's no winter time, there's just sweet sunshine at Christmas Jamaican style.
Hold on, that's too fast, mamas. Oh! That's too fast.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Keneishasays. Welcome K Squad. As you can see, I'm actually in the bathroom. I'm about to take a shower and get on the road. So I already dropped Tavania off at school and I wanted to start the video then, but then it just didn't happen. So now I'm here about to get ready, have an appointment to meet with the Social Security office at 11 o'clock. The whole purpose of that, like, I heard of it, but I wasn't sure. So what happened was I have been a citizen of the States for like 4 years, going on to 5 years now. And I've been hearing that even though you're a citizen and you have all the naturalization paperwork and whatever not, once you're not updated with Social Security, they still have you as like a green card holder. So I called down there the other day and was told that yeah, that is the case. So we still need to update the Social Security information. So even though DMV and everything else everybody else have that I'm a citizen, Social Security still has that I'm a green card holder, even though they took away the green card and everything. Same thing for all my family except for Tavana because she was born here. So that's what I'm about to be doing. Troy's coming with me, and then we have a whole bunch of stuff to do on the road because Thanksgiving is this week. I haven't done clean up the house yet, but I need to get groceries. I need to get Tavania's rug clean. I need to do a return. We need to go. It's a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm taking you on the road with me today. For anybody that's new over here, welcome. My name is Keneisha. I do lifestyle vlogs, mom vlogs, sit down vlogs, any vlog you can think about, anything that you can think about, I do it. So if you like that type of thing, stay over here. Go ahead and subscribe. And now from all my original K Squad guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Don't forget to like and share the video, comment as well. And again, if you're new, please consider subscribing. All right guys, I'm gonna get ready because Troy's outside waiting for me. So let me go get ready. You know, it's like 1.5 years. So let me go start taking a shower. Alright guys, we're downtown. Long story short, my camera, I can't find I'm using my phone right now. But we're downtown and we're trying to get the parking meter thingy situated to go to the front. We're gonna find it. There's a long time enough from downtown, so I'll get back to you. Alright guys, we're back. We got through in less than 15 minutes. Like, that was crazy. So after finding the park, when we were putting in the chaos or in the pay, whatever that is, to get the parking, the machine itself had like saying 7 o'clock, 7 something, and gave us a ticket for an hour for like $9 for 9:30 something. So basically, and at the time it was like after 10 going to 11, so it was close to 11 o'clock because our appointment was at 11 o'clock. So basically it's expired before we even went to where we're going. Anyhow, luckily we got back and it was fine. Upon going through the whole, you know, they have to scan you down and you go through, it's like you're going through a whole interrogation, like you're going through immigration. Like that's how they behave. Like you're gonna bring something to kill somebody in there. Like, I don't know. I had to freaking strip down from my earrings, my watch. I had to freaking take off my shoes. They pat me down like 3 times. I'm like, listen, I'm just trying to freaking update my social. Like, that was crazy. But as soon as we went through and I did a kiosk and got my ticket, as soon as I sat down, immediately they called me. No, the good thing about it is that, remember I said I was going to update my citizenship on my social because they say you need to have your naturalization paperwork, certificate, and your social, and you should be good. When I went there, Troy had said that he was going to bring everybody's stuff just in case if he could actually ask to see what's the process, Luckily, luckily my man was right this time because he brought everybody's stuff, and the guy was like, when we started taking all the information, he's like, are you trying to update everybody's stuff today? And we said yes. He had all the passports and the naturalization cards and everything, and we were able to do everything all at once. So everybody from myself, Troy, my 2 sons, so all 4 of us immediately updated. He said by tonight everything should be updated by by within 24 hours it should be updated. And then on top of that, he ordered us some social security cards, even though Troy have us own spotless, like there's no bin or anything in it. So that was amazing. So we kind of have we exceeded in the social, so I will take the pat down and everything because that was worth it. So that is done. Now we're at the bank, and Troy went in because I really don't want to go in. He went in to do with some stuff, not anything to do with me, so I was fine. I wanted to come in, not look a bit too close, a little too close. So he went in to do with that, and then I left the thing that I needed to return a Whole Foods, forgot that because we ran out of the house and I didn't remember it until I reached the road. I don't know what's going on with my memory. It's 40 in me. So Troy's gonna drop that out when he goes to work tomorrow. Ooh, my hand tired. Okay, so in regards to the camera, guys, I cleaned up my office, right? Tell me why I can't find my camera. Well, I had the camera. I can't find any of the batteries. None whatsoever. Apart from the one that's actually inside the camera right now. I'm down there digging up, trying to find. That's one of the reasons why I forgot the thing to actually return, because I can't find it. It's lost. I can't find none of the battery, and I have like 3 batteries, so like where did they go? And I can't find the charger either, so I have to go home and search. And I just cleaned the office. I don't remember if I actually even see them. Like, I don't know. So because I was hurrying looking for the battery, I forgot to put the memory card inside the camera. So now I have the camera here, but I can't use it because it has no battery and it has no memory card. So I'm recording on my phone. So apparently this whole video is gonna be done by phone, so we're going back old school. Okay, so we're finishing up with this bank, and then we're gonna go to another bank to withdraw some money. Then we're gonna go straight to the supermarket, and then we're gonna go wash Tavania's rug. So it's a possibility that no, it's too big. I was gonna say that it's a possibility that I would be able to wash it in my machine, but then the dryer that we have, the bigger dryer is not working, so I have to go back to my old school, my smaller dryer, so that I wouldn't be able to dry in there. But in any case, the rug is too big, wouldn't be able to wash it all. So we're taking that to the laundromat to actually have that done. And then I want to go home and wash the bathroom, but let's see how that plays out, because by that time I think we may have to grab the kids. Troy and Tava and Tristan is gonna go to the barber. I need to get some stuff at the hair store. I'm not sure if I want to do that today, but let's see what happens. It's a busy day. It's now 11:31, but I feel like we weren't ready for the time. Like I didn't know that we're gonna get through in 15 minutes plus to get everything done. But yeah, so I'm just sitting here waiting and using the opportunity to talk to you guys, because I know I wouldn't do it if Troy was in here, because he would be all up in my face like, you know how he is. Anywho, guys, if you haven't already subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, comments on the comment section, and don't forget to hype the video. Okay, guys, we're not sharing the video. Please remember to tell your friends and family. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. Okay? All right, I'll get back to you in the next clip, guys. Alright guys, it's me again. We finished with BJ's, and no, we went home to grab something. We still have all the groceries in the back. We haven't gone to the laundromat yet. I just stopped and got some donuts for the kids. Well, for me too. Got some patties earlier, but we're currently at Stop and Shop. Literally just pulled up here. There's a donut. So we got 6 strawberry glazed strawberry what do you call it? Strawberry frosting, 5 glaze and 1 old fashioned. That one is for me. So stop at Stop and Shop. Or like, I didn't like how the chicken we're looking at BJ's, so we stopped to get. He's gonna get chicken, milk, bread, some skillet, and some thyme. Those are the things I think we need the most. And then maybe I feel like just about my song. So the kids for Thanksgiving, Tristan chose the menu. He wants, I think I told you guys already, fried fish fillet, fried chicken, mac and cheese, rice and peas, tossed salad, and the turkey. I have everything now for that, but I feel like I need something else. I don't think I can just do those fried things. So I feel like I need a little bit of curry goat in my life. So I might get that. Maybe not now because time is against us. So try running to get those. And then we are going to grab Tristan and I want to bring them to the barber shop. And we're going to get Tavania and then go to the laundromat. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing the bathroom today. TJ is coming down tomorrow. I haven't finished cleaning the freaking house yet, and Thanksgiving is in 3 days. That's crazy. I started the first quarter of the house, which is the bottom part. So the basement is done. TJ's room is done. The laundry area, the pantry is done. I have the bathroom to finish there, and then I'm going to be stepping up into the playroom, which is already cleaned technically. But I'm going to change the curtains in there, and I need to do the dining room, the living room, the kitchen, all the bathroom, the 3 bedrooms. Like I still haven't done anything. I haven't done anything outside. And Christmas literally around the corner. Thanksgiving is in 3 days. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but gotta put on my big girl's panties and get this done. So let's see how I feel later. I think I want to start seasoning up the meat and stuff like that too from now, and get that put downstairs so I don't really have all of that to do on Thursday. Let's see how it goes. Hey guys, so it is like 2 days later. The last time I think you guys saw us was when we were at BJ's. We left BJ's. We picked up Tristan. Troy and Tristan went to the barber shop. Then we grabbed Tavania. We went to, I think I told you guys this, I'm not sure. We went to the meat shop, and then we went to do the laundry. Well, the rug that I said I wanted to wash for Tavania. Reached home and we were just exhausted. So I told my husband, like, let's leave. Let's put the stuff that we need to put in the refrigerator. Let's do that. And then I will pack out all the stuff and organize the pantry and everything tomorrow. And then also season the meat. Girl, when I tell you yesterday, it was just laundry all day. Like, I did not get to do laundry last week. And it seemed like everything that we had was dirty. Like, I did so much load of laundry. And it's just like from washing to folding. By the time we quit, it was time to go grab the kids. And then I got home and I just need to cook something real quick. And by the end of the night, I said I was going to still do what I needed to do. I couldn't. The body was saying... The mind was saying yes, but the body was saying, hell no, you need to go sleep. I left the clothes that I was folding in the couch. Right now, the house looked like a hot mess. Like, the cleanest part of the house right now is the basement, TJ's room, and down by the laundry area. Because I still even haven't washed TJ's bathroom yet. So this morning, I woke up and I dropped the kids off at school. They all have, and right now I'm sitting waiting for Tristan because they have half day school. It's now 11:21. And then after I leave here, I'm going to go grab Tavania so I don't have to go back home to come back on the road. Dropped Tavania off at school because Troy normally drops Tristan. Had to go get gas at home. Haven't even, oh my God, I forgot I needed to bring like an apple. I haven't even eaten anything all morning. I just jumped straight into continuing with the laundry. I have one set now. The white clothes, they're dried. I think they're already dried. Before I left, I think they were done. And then I have some towels that's being washed to put those in the laundry and then fold up the white clothes. So while that was happening, I finished the clothes that I did last night. And then I did, just vacuum the place real quick, like downstairs, the place that I had already cleaned up. And like put in some Febreze and stuff because I was out of that. So we got those at BJ's. And I didn't want to like jump into anything too deep and then had to run on the road. So I said, you know what, let me just come and pick up Tristan real quick and then go back home and just jump into everything. When I tell you tomorrow is Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving Day. And the house, when I say the house is a mess, the house is garbage because now we have everything all scattered all over the place what needs to be put up. If you're anybody like me, like I put like the curtains in the areas where it needs to go, and anything that needs to be changed, like the sheets and stuff, they're actually in the area. So I'm just cleaning up and doing what I need to do. So everybody has everywhere has all kind of stuff all over the place right now. So that's what's going on. I am so exhausted. I haven't seasoned the meat or anything yet, so that has to be done tonight. Just a hot mess. TJ is home, but luckily I had finished his room. So I need to go home now and just jump into everything. I don't even know what I'm going to cook tonight, if I'm going to cook tonight, since I'm going to be seasoning the meats and everything. But anyway, I think this is Tristan's bus. In any case, guys, I'm going to talk to you guys later.
day.
Before I go, I just want to say I hope you all had an amazing Thanksgiving. I hope you got to enjoy the little things, good food, good company, a moment to breathe, a moment to smile, and even the quiet blessings we sometimes forget to notice. And most importantly, I want to say how grateful I am for all of you, my K Squad. Every view, every like, every comment, every bit of support means more to me than you know. Thank you for rocking with me, for supporting my channel, and for being a part of this community. I appreciate you all, and I'm so grateful for each one of you. Love you guys, and until next time, bye!
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.